Hey, it's Virginia, back again with another Dollar Tree DIY home decor idea. This is only my second video, but I look forward to making more videos in the future, so please feel free to like and subscribe if you like what you see. It would really help me out. If you have any other ideas or anything like that, please feel free to leave them below in the comment section. I was actually inspired by another YouTube video to recreate this. So I'll also leave that link down below in the description box. So check that out. Please like and subscribe. It would be super awesome. And we'll just get on with the project. So first thing you'll need that I picked up are 2 canvases from Dollar Tree. It doesn't really matter what design you get on the front because we're actually going to be painting over it. So 2 of those. And also Spanish moss and 2 bunches of flowers, whatever your preference is, and paintbrushes. All these things came from the Dollar Tree. And also, I'm not really sure yet which pots I will be using for this, but some sort of flower pot that is not very thick because we'll actually be cutting into this. So we'll see how that goes. And then the last thing I believe we will need is white chalk paint, which the Dollar Tree doesn't have, but I got it from Joann's, and they typically always have coupons online. I think this was $7 or $8, and I used like a 50 or 60% off coupon, so $3 or $4. It's really not bad. It's 8 ounces. It'll last through multiple projects. So I think that is mostly everything we will need. So first things first, we will paint these canvases. So I actually ended up putting 2 layers of paint on both of these canvases, and while I'm waiting for it to dry, I'm going to cut, I think I'm going to try this pot first, and we'll see how that goes, but I'm going to cut this pot in half with some scissors. Okay, so that wasn't too difficult. It's not very even, but I think it'll do. Luckily, Dollar Tree sells these in 4 packs, so if you mess up the first one, you have 3 more chances. And I'm actually making 2, so if you're just making 1, then even more chances. So I am planning on hot gluing this side just straight down onto the canvas, and then we'll have flowers sticking out of it, so it's a 3-dimensional decor flower art piece. Alright, so this is what it looks like after you have hot glued the half pot onto the canvas. And next up, all you need to do is pick your flowers, trim them, put them in the pot with some Spanish moss, and we should be good to go. I have actually decided to use different flowers. These are more colorful, and the other ones just kind of got washed out because the canvas is white and the flowers were white. So a bit more pop of color with these. And this is the final product with the planter, a bit of Spanish moss, and the flowers inside. And since there's not much weight, I think the hot glue will hold it without any problem. So if you wanted to hang it in your house, this does come with a hanger on the back of the original canvas, or you could use a command strip or something and just stick it to it. Or if you wanted to hang it on a hook or something, you can super glue rope to the back in the corners and then cut just a bit of length to hang it from that. Alright y'all, so that is the final product. I hope y'all enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be making more videos in the future, so I'll see y'all next time. Bye.